Hi guys, in today's episode we'll be making a healthy quinoa recipe. Quinoa is considered to be one of the most nutritious whole grains out there. It has fewer calories and carbs than white rice, but twice more protein and 5 grams more fiber. If you're excited, then let's get this started. So we'll start by rinsing our quinoa under running water for 2 minutes. So some quinoa has been pre-rinsed, so if the packaging of your quinoa says it so, then you have to skip this step. So the ratio for cooking quinoa is 1:2, which means for every cup of dry quinoa, we have to cook it in 2 cups of water. So if you want more flavor, you can cook it in broth instead of water or add seasoning to it. And then we have to cook it uncovered in high heat until 80% of the liquid has been absorbed. Then once all the liquid has been absorbed, turn off the heat and cover it for 5 minutes. In a skillet, heat about 1 to 2 teaspoons of oil and saute the garlic and chopped white onion. And we'll just have to mix them together until the onion is translucent. Chopped onion is translucent, it's time to add 2 cups of mixed veggies. In this recipe, I use frozen vegetables, but feel free to use fresh ones. And we'll just give it a good stir. Once the vegetables are halfway cooked, it's time to add eggs. In this recipe, I use 2 large eggs, but feel free to add more eggs if you want to. Then just give it a good stir. And then it's time to add the cooked quinoa and mix the ingredients all together. In this recipe, we will also be needing low sodium soy sauce. So I put about 1 to 1.5 tablespoons of soy sauce in this recipe, but feel free to adjust the amount to suit your taste preference. And just give it a good stir. Then we're going to put back the lid until the egg is fully cooked. And then our quinoa is done. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. And if you try this at home, please let me know how it goes. Till next time guys, bye!